Hello everyone, thank you for landing here. As you can see, this is gonna be a bit of a different kind of a video for today. I have these cards in front of me. I'm doing a hand cam. It's all new. So, as you may know, or may not know, Lovelive has a trading card game, and I love Lovelive. So I was wondering, what if we open some packs, because I was able to get my hands on some. Alright, here we go. So first pack, let's do the one with Ayumu on it. Okay. Oh, I love her Yume no Ippo outfit. Okay. I want to try and be careful when opening this, so I'm gonna try and be very, very careful. Come on. God. Am I stupid? Hold on. Oh guys, I don't know. Okay, there we go. Alright, oh, I'm excited. I don't know what to expect. So this is what the back looks like. Okay, I'm excited. Okay. Oh, okay, hi Hime. Oh, the foil is so pretty too. Okay. Whoa. Hi Hime. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it's like hollow. Popping up. Okay, so this is like a song. Guys, I don't know how to play this game. Oh, okay, Karin. Oh, I love Karin. She's so pretty. And then, oh, it's Natsume. Oh, okay. Oh, that's gotta be good, right? That Hime card? Like, this has to be good. This has to be good. Okay. Let's do... Yeah. Okay. Next one. Please, let me open it better. Okay, nice. That's already a lot better. Oh, that was clean. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh my god! Rina! Oh, that's so cute. Oh, oh, the Niji ones are really pretty. Oh, Tsuzuri. Oh, okay, it's got the hollow. Okay. Ginko, I think that's her name. I don't really know the new Hasu girls. Well, oh, and then it's Ren. Oh, so does Leo have like that the paint splatter set? Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. Alright. These are exciting. Let's go for this Canon one. I don't want to destroy the packaging. The packaging is really cute, but it's hard. Ugh. Okay, there we go. Lovelive series. Okay. Oh! Oh, the foil is so nice. Okay. Oh! I love this cuckoo. Oh my god. I was looking at some of the cards and like what was in the box, and that one I was just like, yes. Okay, Kanata. Okay. Ooh. Laundry just always looks good with whatever she does. And then... Oh, okay. I forget her name. Oh, that's good though. That's good. Next, come on. It's hard to like pick them up, but Ayumu. Alright, come on. Clean opening. Come on. Oh my god, Ayumu's always so mean to me. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Oh my god, it's her again. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I forget your name. Oh, that's pretty though. What's up? Oh, Sayaka. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, oh, Euphoria or Utopia. I forget the name. That. Oh, hi Mia. And then who's compare last? Oh, it's Kazoe. Oh my god, rest in peace. She's graduated. Okay. Oh, these are exciting. Oh, I wish Mizunako were in this, but it's okay. Let's go. Alright. This is gonna be good, I can feel it. Oh no, I ripped her face. Okay. Let's see. Oh, Emma! Oh, that's really cute. What? Karada! Oh, her twin tails are so good. Oh, hell yeah. What? Whoa! Okay, another song card. Sing, shine, smile. Diala. Oh, those are pretty. Oh! Hi. Oh, she looks good with the paint. Oh my god, I'm Oh, I love her little bun. Okay. Oh, these are good. I do have some favorites, as you can see, that I want, but honestly, I'm happy with anything. I'm just so excited to have these. Come on. Okay, come on. Give me good stuff. Give me good stuff. What? Okay, not bad. Oh, that was good. Okay. What? Oh, hi Kinako. I haven't gotten any of her yet, I don't think. Yeah, no. Oh, nice. Kinako again. Hey, girl. Oh, May. I don't think I got any of May either. A lot of Liela action here. Oh, hi, Emma. That's cute. Ah, it's her again. She's in the orchestra, right? Yeah. I don't follow Hasu as much as I should. But Ruino is my best girl from Hasu. I really hope I get a Ruino card. Okay. What? Can we open it nicely? Come on. Don't be mean to me. Ugh. Okay. Because of that. Alright. Let's see. It's Sayaka! Oh my god, hi Sayaka! What? Oh, I really like this set for Niji. Hi Mia. Another Miracle Park! Oh my god, I love Miracle Park. I follow Miracle Park, but not the rest of Hasu. Sumire? Oh, I love the backgrounds for that paint set. Rina! Oh my god, I love her outfit. It's so cozy, so cuddly. Yeah, that was good. Which one do I pick? I was doing that alternating thing. Oh no! Oh my god, I didn't even realize how many I've gone through already. Okay. Alright, Kaho, give me something good. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's ooh, Karin. Oh my god, she's so cool. Oh, hi, Kao. Oh, that's gorgeous. What? Hello? Oh my god. And that's a Kozai too. She's graduated. She's her Chiriko! Oh my god. Chiriko, this girl. Oh my god. Oh, this is my favorite pack. And Chisato! Oh, Chisato looks so good in the paint set. Okay, this is good. This is top tier pack. This is my favorite so far. Yeah. Okay, this is good. Okay. Oh, that was exciting. Okay, now let's go for this Kanon pack. Alright, hi queen. And then we're gonna flip it around. Come on! Oh my god, best girl! Yes! Okay. Setsuna! Oh, she looks so good with that. That Niji set, I'm telling you, that's solos. Megami! She's graduated too. I wonder if the graduated ones are more valuable. Oh, Setsuna! Sayaka! Okay. Oh, we have one pack left, so I'm kind of nervy. Guys, I'm kind of nervous. I want more. I wonder, could I get all my best girls? If we get Ririno in this, I get all my best girls from these 3 groups. It's the last one. It's the final one. Come on. Okay. Prayers. Open nicely, please. Oh god. Oh no. Oh. Did that work? Oh no, she's been mutilated. Oh god. Okay. There we go. Ugh. That one was not smooth. Okay. What? Hi, Kaho! Oh my god. Kaho's so cute. I love her. I love Ririno more though. Ririno, please come home. Oh. Sumire! Oh, that's pretty. I love that Leela set too. Oh, that's nice. Huh? Yo! Oh my god, it's Holiday Holiday! I love this song with Serious Bouquet. Fun fact, I was thinking of covering this. Hime! Oh, yes, Hime's so cute. And... Hi, Shizuku! I don't think I've gotten any... Have I gotten Shizuku yet? I may have. I don't know. Oh my god, that was so good though! Oh my god. Alright. Thank you so much for watching that. If you liked watching the card openings, let me know. Maybe I'm more. Who knows? As you can see here, did I get all my best girls? No. Did I get all the cards I dreamed of? Not really. But that's what makes it fun. You never know what you're gonna get. So at that, thank you, and I will see you in the next one.